Hey, all right, everybody, how's it going? Now, in the last video I did on this e-trike, I forgot to show one important thing, and there's a modification I want to do. So, what is the modification? So, the modification, as usual, is BMX handlebars, and can they fit on this trike? So on this trike, we do have folding handlebars here. They're quite tall. Now, if we change the handlebars, we lose the folding function. But let's have a look what this trike looks like when we fold it here. And down by there is a folding mechanism as well. So let's try it out. So this is what it looks like when it's folded up. You can see that it folds there in the center and the handlebars come down. Now, it still takes up a lot of room. It does make it a little bit smaller, but it can't fold any more than that because obviously the front wheel is going to come in contact with the rear wheel. So there we go. That's what it looks like folded up. So what am I going to use? I'm going to use this extension piece here and these BMX handlebars here, and hopefully everything turns out okay. I'm going to remove these ones off here. I'm going to have to take everything off here. So let's get on with it. Now, these BMX handlebars that I've used on many videos, these have been on many bikes. They are wider than these ones. Not a lot, but they are wider, about that much wider. So it might give a better feel, it might not. But let's just try it and see what it's like. Right, okay, so the handlebars are on and I think they look fantastic. I'll sit on the bike in a second and we'll see how they feel. But in the meantime, somebody said to me in the review of this trike, I'll link it somewhere around here, the review of this trike, go back and have a look. He said it'd be very difficult to fix a puncture when you're out and about on this trike. Now, I'll be releasing another video about an impact wrench on the same day as this video. And in the impact wrench video, I show how easy it is to remove the rear wheel on these trikes. So go and take a look at that as well, and go and give it a like and comment on that video as well. It would help me out. So go and have a look at that. I'll link that somewhere as well, that video. Now let's get back to the handlebars. Let's have a bit of a closer look. Well, I'll sit on the bike and we'll see what it's like. And you might have noticed I was waving this bolt around, and you might have seen this earlier on in the video, so I just want to make this point clear. This long 180mm bolt, which is an M6, came with the extended stem. I'll put a picture of the extended stem by here somewhere. I did put it on the video earlier on as well. That came with that, but this bike takes an M8, so you need an M8 bolt, and however long the bolt is needed to be. So if you've got an extended stem that is whatever height you choose, the bolt that comes with it will be wrong because you need an M8. So you've got to buy an extra bolt like I had to. So that is that. Now, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, I was going to sit on the trike. Right, okay, so here I am sitting on the trike. Now, the wider handlebars feel a little bit nicer, or I should say a lot nicer. Also, the handlebars have gone forward just a touch. They've gone forward ever so slightly, so that gives you a little bit more room here because the handlebars felt a little bit too tight to you. So it's made quite a big difference on how you feel because you've got a little bit more room to get on and off the trike. The handlebars are a little bit further forward, slightly higher as well, and slightly wider. And that all leads to a nicer feel. Now I just want to point out the Zoom handlebar stem clamp here, which is for BMX bars. So I'll try and put a picture of that on the screen somewhere so you can see that as well. It's no point me putting links because links disappear. So it's best if you go and look for them yourselves and I give the information. It's Zoom and it's for BMX handlebars. Now, like I said, it's moved the handlebars slightly forward from the stem area there. So it does, you know, it does give you a little bit more room. It is quite nice having them handlebars forward a little bit. Right, okay then, there we go. Now, like I said, if you want to see how easy it is to remove the wheel, go and look at the video I've released on the same day as this one. If you want to change your handlebars on this trike and you own this trike, you need BMX handlebars, you need the BMX stem clamp thing, then you need the extender part as well. And you will need to change the M6 bolt to an M8 bolt, whichever length you need. So you'll need all them things to do this, to change them over. But I think it is worthwhile. You do lose the folding function, but I don't think many people will be folding these trikes up. Maybe they will, I don't know. But with that being said, if you did like this video, don't forget, give it a like, comment down below, hype, do all them beautiful things, and I will catch you in the next one.